Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll be doing an unboxing and our first impressions of the new mid-range device from Samsung under the M series, the Samsung Galaxy M53 5G. So Samsung had launched another device in the M series recently that was below the 20,000 price segment. Now this is a bit more premium. This is in the 20 to 30k price segment and offering great hardware. So we'll be looking at what all it offers and how good the device is for the price segment. It is powered by the Dimensity 900 chip with 108 megapixel quad camera setup. You also get the Samsung's S AMOLED display, and it's 120 Hz refresh rate. It's a top end hardware offered for this price segment. It also has a 5000 milliamp hour battery. So let's see how good the experience is and what all features it offers. That's what we're going to talk about in this detailed unboxing and first impressions video. So before getting into the video, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's begin with unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy M53 5G. So let's get started with unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy M53 5G. So this is the box package, and as usual you can see here very slim box package because this does not ship with a charger. Now here you can see that mystic green is mentioned, so this is one of the colors, the other color being the blue variant. So we get 128GB storage, there is 2 RAM variants, 6GB RAM as well as 8GB RAM. Now nothing is mentioned here in the box, you get the basic information. So in terms of pricing, there are 2 variants as I said before. 26,499 is the base pricing, 6GB RAM variant, and 28,499 is the pricing of the 8GB RAM variant. Now as a part of the offers, you get 2,500 rupees off on ICICI Bank credit card, so bringing the price down to 23,999 and 25,999. That's really good pricing. So if you plan to buy this device, get it in the first sale or in the first few days of sale, because this offer is a really great one. ICICI Bank card offer 23,999 and 25,999. So let's start off with the unboxing. So opening up the box, so let's just go straight into the unboxing. So opening up the box, you get the Samsung Galaxy M53 5G. Let's keep this aside. We have the charging cable here, standard charging cable. Then we have a manual here. So here you can see the SIM card slot, 2 nano SIM card slot. This is the hybrid slot and no dedicated SD card slot. Now here let's see the SAR values also mentioned. Head SAR is 1.31. So that's all inside the box. So let's get started with setting up the device and we'll show you the features. So now we have booted the Samsung Galaxy M53 5G. Let's have a look at the device. So first step, let's have a look at the design aspect. So this is one of the really good looking devices out there. Couple of reasons, because this is one of the slimmest device, 7.4 mm in thickness. That's one of the really good aspects about this device. You can see here extremely slim in terms of the design. Even with a 5000 milliamp hour battery, it feels very light, and even the design looks really good. Now Samsung has carried forward the design we have seen on the other devices in the M and F series. You can see the squarish kind of camera layout. The camera layout has been neatly integrated onto the back panel. The back panel is polycarbonate, but it feels really nice, and it feels solid in terms of finishing. It's a matte finish and looks really smooth as well. The camera layout looks good. We have LED flash, the Samsung logo. On the right side we have the power and volume keys. The power button acts as the fingerprint scanner. The bottom section houses the USB Type-C port, the speaker unit, and on the left side we have the SIM tray. This is a hybrid slot, and then we have the front panel with the display, the AMOLED display, 120 Hz refresh rate, and the 32 megapixel punch hole selfie camera. You can see that the bezels have been kept to minimal. It looks really nice in terms of usage. You can see that very lightweight and in hand feel looks really nice, and also the slim form factor makes it easy to use the device even with a 5000 milliamp hour battery. So that's one of the good aspects about this device. So overall we are pretty impressed with the design and build quality offered by the Samsung Galaxy M53 5G. Next, let's move on to the display. Now this device comes with this S AMOLED Plus display with 120 Hz refresh rate, and you get a really vibrant panel. You can see that the colors are really vibrant. The touch response feels very smooth. We have the 120 Hz refresh rate offered. So if you just go to the display settings, the motion smoothness, high and standard. So high is 120 Hz refresh rate. So display smoothness is very good. The 120 Hz refresh rate adds very high smoothness levels, and you can see the touch response also feels very smooth. This is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, so it's well protected in terms of durability aspect as well. Now display is one of the strong points of this device. Super AMOLED Plus display, and it looks really vibrant and crisp. Next, let's talk about the software. So Samsung has been providing the latest Android version on all their devices launched this year. Now this is no different with the M53 5G as well. So you get the latest version of Android. So you can see here software information, Android 12 is offered, and One UI 4.1 is the software being offered. Now Samsung is also offering 2 years of Android updates and 4 years of security patches, which means this device will get Android 13 and Android 14 and 4 years of security patches offered. So that's pretty good. It should be getting the updates on a pretty good cycle. So that's one of the good things about this device. Now talking about the One UI 4.1, it offers a lot of additional options, customization tools like motions and gestures, game launcher, dual messenger, floating windows, plenty of tools are there. Then you get the regular customization options like themes, wallpaper support, lock screen customization. So everything is included. It's a full-fledged UI, and you also get Samsung Pay Mini. Along with that, you get the Knock Security Secure folder and Samsung's bunch of apps which improve productivity. So all of these are included on this device. So it's a full-fledged UI on the Samsung Galaxy M53 5G, and with updates promise, it should be a really good experience in terms of software. So that's the software experience of the Samsung Galaxy M53 5G. Now moving on to the performance. So now this device is powered by the Dimensity 900 chip. It's a really powerful mid-range chip, and it is coupled with either 6GB RAM or 8GB RAM. So we have the 6GB RAM, and it's extremely responsive actually. No lags or any issues noted in our first experience. It's really responsive UI. And apart from that, in case you are doing gaming, you get the vapor chamber cooling technology included, which means even if the device is put to extreme test, the device heating up is controlled with the vapor chamber cooling. And it also comes with some additional options like voice focus. What it does is when you are doing a voice call in an extremely crowded or noisy condition, it will actually optimize the sound experience and reduce the background noise. So voice focus is included. Apart from that, there is also auto data switching option. That means if you are using 2 SIM cards and the primary SIM card data goes off, it will automatically switch to the secondary SIM card, thereby if there is any disconnection in data, that will not happen with the auto switching option. So that's well connection from Samsung Galaxy M53 5G. So auto switch data switching is included on this device. Now in terms of sound quality, this comes with Dolby Atmos, and this is well covered in the speaker performance is also pretty good. Now you get 12 5G band support. So whenever 5G comes up, you are well connected in terms of 5G experience. There are 12 5G bands supported. Now next, let's talk about the important aspect, the cameras. So we have a quad camera setup, 108 megapixel primary sensor, then you get the 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel depth and 2 megapixel macro, and a 32 megapixel selfie camera. Now if you look at the camera UI, you can see that, let's just open the camera here. You can see a portrait mode is there. Photo mode, video recording, you can see that it's full HD and 60 and 30 and 4K at 30 FPS is supported. Now additional options include night mode, macro, super slow motion, single take, and a lot of additional tools are there. So camera experience should be pretty good. So we'll be doing a camera review later. But in the meantime, you can have a look at some of the camera samples you have taken. They come pretty good in terms of experience. So Samsung's 108 megapixel sensor is a pretty good in terms of experience. We have seen on A series as well. So this should give you good experience here as well. So here are some camera samples, and in our first impressions, we felt that the camera looks pretty good. We'll be doing a detailed camera review, so stay tuned for that. Now there are a couple of additional tools available in the photo app. One of them is the photo remaster option. You can see here remaster picture. Whenever you select a picture, you can see the remaster option. So what it does is if there are any issues in the photo taken, it actually improves the quality. It remasters the image and it will show you side by side option. You can see here the remastered image and the other image. So this image doesn't have much of the difference, but then if the image quality is low, the remaster option will help you improving the image quality. Then another option in the edit option is the object eraser. So you can go here and you can see here object eraser. Now what it does is if any other unwanted objects come in the picture, say for example this light. So I just clicking this light, and now if I click erase, so there you go, you can see that the light has vanished. So that's how the object eraser works. So it will actually erase any object from your frame if you feel that they are unwanted. So again, a very useful feature. This is included in the camera app. So that was the camera experience. Now talking about the battery, this device comes with a 5000 milliamp hour battery, and you get 25 watt charging support. Although the charger is not included, you can buy the Samsung's 25 watt charger. And as a part of promotion, Samsung is offering this charger for just 299 rupees. If you visit the page of the M53 as well as the M33, you can see accessories mentioned here, and here you can see the charger mentioned at 298 rupees. Now battery life should be good because this is a 5000 milliamp hour battery, and this is a 6 nanometer Dimensity 900 chip, so it should be an optimized performance. So we'll do the detailed testing, and we'll let you know in our detailed review of the Samsung Galaxy M53 5G how the battery performance is. So that was our experience with the Samsung Galaxy M53 5G. Overall a pretty good device in terms of what is being offered. Good display, good cameras, good battery life, very slim form factor, and even the design and build quality looks good. So overall software experience is also good. It's a good performing chip, the Dimensity 900. Now the pricing, as I said before, 23,999 and 25,999 including of the 2,500 off on ICICI Bank credit cards on both the variants. If you are not going for ICICI credit card offer, then you can buy it for 26,499 and 28,499. That's the pricing of the two variants. So with the card offer, this is a good package overall for the price segment it is being offered, and you can buy it from either Amazon or Samsung.com. So we'll share the links in the description or in the comment section to buy this device. So that was our experience of the Samsung Galaxy M53 5G. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.